All right, so guys, on today's video we are going to stitch, or we are going to sew a trouser left front pocket and its back, the front and the back together. This is the back, and so this is the front, the left front. So we're going to put the left front aside and arrange it well so that we're able to stitch it. So we are gonna put the back onto the table first. So you see this part is going this part, this shape is going to this part, right? That's the front, that is the front of the fabric. And so we are going to put, you see this is the left, so we are going to turn the left like this. We are going to turn the left like this to make this the flap go to this side and to join to this part like this. So we are going to make it join on the waist where we are going to stitch, make it equal. So we are going to make sure it's on the right place. We're going to make sure that it's gonna make perfect. So we are arranging it so that there won't be any mistake. So let me check it if I make a mistake on the top. So let me check it well, because we are arranging it well so that when we stitch it, it's gonna be the way we want it to be. So this is exactly how we do it. We arrange it to make it the way we want. So we have done it so that it has held this part, right? So we are going to stitch it from the down to the top part like a half or almost half inches. So please watch attentively, and so that you're able to see exactly how you go about it. So we are stitching it from the down to the top part. So please watch it so that you're able to see that loud. Hope you are seeing it. Please, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit the like button, turn on the post notifications so that you see our next videos. So please, we are getting to the finish line. So after getting to the finish line, you gotta stitch it like twice to make it so that the thread that we have stitched so far is not gonna be removing. It's not gonna remove. So that it's gonna stitch hard. So that's gonna stitch very, very hard. And so we're going to cut the excess thread from this part. We're going to cut the excess thread from this part. And so this is the part that we used to open and iron it. This is the part that we used to open and iron the inside of it. So when we turn it, this is the trouser left front pocket. This is the trouser left front pocket. So if you like this video, can you see this is the trouser left front pocket? So when you put your hands inside, this is the trouser left front pocket. So you see that the left is right here. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like, comment and share this video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.